Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to start a YouTube channel and how to read its analytics. Let's get started. Okay guys, so before we get started, you have to have a Google account all set up. So if you don't have one yet, make one. Then after you got your Google account all set, everything's verified, done, let's start this video by making a YouTube channel. So you're going to want to go to your top right and you're going to want to select create a channel. It's going to tell you your creator journey begins. Pursuing your creative passions. Okay, I'm sure you guys don't want to listen to me read, but make a YouTube channel, so you guys can read that yourself. We're just going to click get started, and it's going to show you choose how to create your channel. So you have the option of using your current account or making one. Select to your liking. I'm gonna make a Google account by clicking select, and it's gonna tell you create your channel name. We're gonna make a channel name called Gaming with Vlad. You're gonna want to click I understand I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including search and watch history. Now let it load. And then next, it's gonna tell you your channel was successfully created. So give yourself a pat on the back because you are halfway done. Here, it will give you the options to customize your channel. You can do this later as I will show you. And I'm just gonna click set up later. And there we go. We have the home page of our channel. Right now, it doesn't look so good, but you can modify it. You can make it look much better. So we have the homepage, like I said, and you have different options than you would on a different YouTube channel. You have two buttons, Customize Channel and YouTube Studio. Only you will be able to see these options for your channel. So let's get started by clicking Customize Channel. And here we will have this pop-up, and it's going to give you the options to add channel art, change your logo, and you can add channel art and change your logo right here and here. So just click those buttons once you need to. Next, we can add a channel description here. This is what your viewers are going to see once if they search your channel. So be sure to fill that out. I'm not going to fill it out for now, but you guys can. Uploads only you don't have any public recent uploads, so it will not appear on your channel. To add content, upload a video. So basically it says if you have no uploads yet, just upload a video. I will show you guys how to do that later on. It's going to give you much more options once you start uploading. Like it's going to show you the videos, the discussion, the playlist tab, stuff like that. But once you're done with once you're done customizing your channel, just remove everything from this slash right here. Backspace and click enter. Now we're going to be back here, right? So here we have our videos. You could change your video. You can see all the videos you have published. Playlists, it's basically self-explanatory. I will show you guys how to manage and create playlists. Here you will see channels. You will be able to feature channels later on once you have a video done, and I think you have to verify. Here, discussion, you can make kind of like a channel comment. So basically what that means is it's a comment that goes over your whole channel. So your subscribers will be able to see this in their homepage. It's not going to go on your videos, but it's going to be here in discussion. Next, in about, you will see stats, joined, stuff like that. You will have other options like that once you start publishing videos and once you have verified. So anyway, to move on, we're gonna click YouTube Studio, and we're gonna get this pop-up here which says, hello new YouTube Studio, goodbye Classic Studio. Just saying, there was like a different YouTube Studio before, and also they removed the go to Classic YouTube Studio thing too. So here you will see the dashboard, and it will show your latest video and its performance. Right now, since we don't have any videos published, it will just give you this blank page here. Next, news. Once you keep on publishing, you're gonna start having news in here. And then here we have channel analytics. Basically, this is an overview of your channel analytics. There is actually a whole page on that, which I will show later in the video. But yeah, you will see your current subscribers, the amount of views and watch time you have in the last 28 days. By the way, each month, so you will also see what's new, stuff like that. And sometimes it even gives you like advice down here or down there. Anyways, we're gonna move on by so we're gonna go to the top. You can see at the left, you can click videos, and here, once you started uploading, you will be able to see all your videos, and it will kind of give you like an overview. It will show you the likes, dislikes, comments, restrictions, dates, and when it is visible and its status. Say you're gonna be publishing and you scheduled it, it will be in the visibility tab there. Next, in playlist, you see that it shows this icon, so it's gonna open a new tab. Here, you can, like I said, you can manage and create your playlists here. It's self-explanatory, guys. You could do it yourself. Next, we could go to analytics, and this is something I use all the time. It's gonna show you all the analytics you need about your channel. So, it will just explain how much views, how much watch time, and how much subscribers you got. It won't be all zero once you start recording and once you start publishing. Trust me, guys, one video at a time, your channel is gonna get better. Next, reach, you can see the amount of impressions. Impressions is kind of like how much times there is a chance of it being visible. And impression click-through rate, how much times did they actually click after the impression, how much views, and how much unique viewers. Basically, unique viewers means how much different people are looking at your channel. Next, in engagement, you will see how much watch time you got in the last 28 days. And by the way, guys, you guys could change it to whatever you would like. Right now, it's stuck like that, but you guys will be able to. Average view duration, you guys will be able to see like that. So average view duration basically means how long are they sticking to the video. So yeah. Then audience, you will be able to see how much unique viewers like in reach, how much average views per viewer. So it could be like one view per viewer or 5, and then how much subscribers. Then after you have enough viewers, you will be able to see some data which will show when they are on YouTube. Then you will also be able to see top countries, age and gender, subtitle statistics, and more. So next, in comments, we see this page here, and it automatically puts this filter of I haven't responded to, and basically you will see all the comments of your channel in any video or any discussion comments, like I explained before. You will see likely some comments in likely spam if YouTube thinks it could be something inappropriate or something that shouldn't be on the video comments. It would pop in here. You would be able to manage it all here, and you could reapprove it so that it was published, or you could hold it for review, or you could delete the comment. So this is something you should know. You have control over all the comments in there. Sometimes YouTube glitches, but you have control. You can delete all the you could delete comments which you think are inappropriate, and please, like, or if it has like not right language, you should delete it. Then in subtitles, you will see all the subtitles of your videos here, and then you will see community tab here, and you could turn it on where it gets your videos automatically translated. So kind of like in Google Meet, it uses a robot to make the translations. If you guys even remember Google Meet, if you guys haven't seen that video, it will be at the top right now. And it kind of does automatic captions. I would say it's 90% accurate, 95 out of the times, but yeah. Next, we have the monetization tab. This is where it gets interesting. You will be able to add your location. I didn't add a location yet, no country yet, so it will just say this. But eventually, if you choose your location, hopefully it will say you have to reach this goal and this goal. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year. So this is important if you want to put ads on your channel and you want to earn from it. So you will have the option to monetize your channels. Right now, that's not very easy. And previously, and like a couple of years ago, they have changed the requirements so that only people who are legit and only people who actually advertisers will be fine with having their ads on, get their ads there. Next, audio library, final tab here, and then we have settings and send feedback. You will see we have free music here, which you could put in your YouTube videos for free. Like, this is copyright cleared, and we have free music and sound effects. These sound effects are made by YouTube, I think. Yeah. So it's self-explanatory. Once you're done, you could click return to YouTube Studio. I'm just gonna close this tab, and we have this last page here, which is settings. You could change your settings like default info, like keywords for your channel. You would usually add keywords to your video, but you can also add it to your channel. So when someone searches something specifically, your channel will pop up. This isn't a guarantee, as there are so much channels out there, so much videos out there. So if you really want it like that, that's not going to be easy. Like, try searching for keywords which are searched but not much people are searching it. Then in advanced settings, you could do you want to select your channel as made for kids? I usually leave it for I want to review this setting for every video, or no, one of those. Then you would see your subscriber count, display the number of people that have subscribed to my channel. So you can see, you could allow displaying the amount of subscribers you have or not. You don't have to. Then here you have even more advanced channel settings, or you can manage your YouTube Google account, or you could delete or hide your channel. So if you click this, you will be able to delete or hide your channel. So this is why you shouldn't give your password, and you shouldn't give access to anyone to your YouTube studio, only to people you trust, like family, right? Because they could be able to hide or delete your account or publish something against your will. Next, branding. You will be able to add a watermark here. As you can see in this video, mine pops up 30 seconds after the beginning of the video for every video, and it will just give you options here to add stuff. Feature eligibility. Like I said before, you will have to be eligible and approved for, you will have to verify yourself so that you can do videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and contact ID appeals. So to do it, you will be automatically eligible, and all you have to do is have your default features enabled, and you have to verify your phone number. Next, in upload defaults, this is basically the default, what will happen by default for every video. I don't recommend doing anything here. And then advanced settings, you could also change this separately for each video. Permissions, you can manage permissions, who's using, who has access, stuff like that. And then community, nothing important here. I wouldn't touch it if you don't know what you're doing. And I'll click close, and guys, I think that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon, smash that like button, and stay tuned for more videos because I will be publishing. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video.